Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is December the 6th and I'm in a short entry trade right now. Appreciate everyone tuning in this morning, watching the video, or maybe in the afternoon depending on your time zone. But I'm taking a short entry, a short scalp now, back down to this supporting swing area right here. This is an area of demand resting right here. So I'm trading a break of a level, of break of a low right here, okay, on a pullback. If you look here to the right hand side where price is right currently now. So price made a level here, broke structure on the way to the downside. So I'm looking for a pullback. So I enter on a pullback to go short, taking price back down to this area of demand here. So hopefully we can get filled here shortly. So we'll see what happens here. So, but yeah, this was a this is from November the 30th. Price made these lower lows and lower highs to the downside. Made this low here before breaking back up, taking out this area of resistance right here. So we'll see. There is liquidity resting down here at the bottom. So where this low is resting at. So I have to be careful here because of on the higher time frame, we're actually at an area of demand, which is I'm trading against my actual rule of thumb, but I notice we got a break here. I'm looking for price to come test a little bit lower and want to tap into this area of demand though. So we'll see. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I get filled in this trade here. Price is kind of moving sideways right now. So we'll look at where it's currently at right now. So again, this was on a pullback, basically to this level right here. After breaking this area of structure to the downside right here, okay, clearing, I guess, 66, and I'm looking for some follow through to test this area of demand down here at the bottom. Now there is demand resting here, and as well as down here at the bottoms as well. So hopefully we get filled here. Hopefully I get filled on this trade. Okay, so we're up already. All right, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this right quick. Put this out to the team, okay, on Discord. So if you're not part of our Discord community, highly recommend you join our Discord community. I'm gonna go ahead and do this right quick. There we go. All right. So, and we have about, I guess about 700 members on the Discord community now. If you're a futures trader, okay, the first contract just got filled. But if you're a futures trader, you want to join a good team where we have fellow like-minded traders that trade the future markets. You're welcome to join. All you have to do is click on the description in the description of the video down below. Find the link to the Discord. It's free of charge. Invite yourself in. Okay, so now we're tapping off this area right here. Bounce off this area. I'm hoping we get a little bit more follow through. Price can bounce right here, so I may need to be a little bit careful right here and kind of just take what I can get right here. I was looking for price to push a little lower here, but come down and test this area here at 54. I was up 6 points on that contract there, but now it's pulling back from me. So it could bounce right here though. So we have to be careful here. Come on, baby. Hopefully it falls through. I'm gonna go ahead and take out right here at right about 5 points on that trade right there. So that was a solid trade right there to the downside. Looking to, again, a pullback to a level that broke this area structure right here. Looking for price to continue pushing lower to test this area of there's demand resting right here around 54.5. So so far I believe it's only where we're at now price wise, 56 and 3/4. So it could come a little lower, but it could bounce right here because this is an area of support right here where it can bounce at. So we have to be careful there as well. And it could bounce there, and price could let's see, 60 and 3/4. Taking a look here, guys. Please forgive me. Yeah, it could bounce here and possibly push all the way back up to, what did it break here? Going back and forth, 66 and a quarter. So, 66. Yeah, okay, it's pushing lower. There it goes. Okay, I would have got filled there. So, but yeah, now we're testing this area of demand resting right here. So, got to be careful right there. So it bounces here and breaks above 57 and a quarter maybe. Let's see what happens. I don't think it's taking out that little. Okay. All right, let me go back over here. But yeah, trade supply and demand. Right now we're tapping into an area of demand. We are at demand on both the 60 range and the 12 range. So this could be a decent move back up to the upside here. We'll see what happens here. I might end up taking a long entry here if we get a break. So we'll see. Break of a candle to the upside. I'll probably end up going long here. I'm going to put a screenshot on Discord for that trade. I just took that short trade. Let me see what I picked up on that trade there. Today is the 6th. All right, I picked up 41 ticks on that one trade there. I'll show you guys. Okay, so that was 41 ticks on that one trade, and I am long. I'm long now. I think I'm gonna take this trade back up to 62. Well, let's see. I'm not sure yet. We'll do let's see. I think it's gonna push up higher here. Take the first contract out right there. Should push up higher. $60.5. Okay, hopefully get filled that first contract there. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this too. Screenshot this one. Okay. First contract's filled on that trade there. Come on, baby, push up. Yeah, I think it's going to push up higher here. Test higher areas. There we go. Both contracts filled there. Okay. All right, so both contracts filled there. I'm up 66 ticks now just on those two trades there. And that's probably going to be it for me today, guys, because we are into the holiday season, and I'm just looking to take a couple scalps, and that's going to be and do it. I'm gonna sit back and kind of see what unfolds here over the next few moments, and then we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put these screenshots out of these two trades here on Discord. The video will be dropping today for my trade entries. For today's date, trading off supply and demand. And yeah, that was a good rejection off of demand right there. Again, we had confluence on the higher time frame. If you look at the 60 range chart, okay, there was demand resting down here, and then there was also an area of demand on the resting on the 12 range too. If you look at what's right, where are we at? Right here, there was demand resting right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and block that off. It was right here in this area right here. Okay, so I'm just going to sit back and wait now. Okay, so price is bouncing off this area of resistance right here. Okay, so there's a small little area of demand resting right here around 57, so it could come back down to that area. But yeah, first trade was a short entry, taking price back down to this area of demand resting right here. And then the second entry was, there's liquidity resting right here, so be mindful too, because price can come down and be wanting to aim to test that area. So there's liquidity resting right there at 42 and a half. Okay, so price could be now. I'm having to go back and forth because price is trading outside of yesterday's trading range, and it's trading inside of November the 30th trading range right now. So price could actually push lower and want to come back down and test. There's liquidity resting right here at 53 and 42 and a half. So I'll put that on. I'll put that on Discord as well right now. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, guys, and you want to kind of get some thumbs up tips, not say thumbs up, sorry guys, some tips or hints, or maybe trying to understand and grasp and understand about the markets and how to trade supply and demand, come and join us on the Discord. So price can come down and test this little zone right here, this little area. It's a small little area of liquidity resting right here. Okay, you can bounce off of this and come back and want to test this area up here. So we'll see. Looking for a quick little bounce here. I think yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm entering long, guys, very early here. So yep, taking a quick scalp long. Oops. I'm gonna screenshot this, put this on Discord as well. I'm looking for a break here. Candle break to the upside. So again, I could be into this trade very early here. I didn't wait for the break, being more aggressive. Okay, screenshotting this, putting this out in the Discord community as well. Come on, baby, hit that TP. Okay, hopefully we get some fall through here. Come on. We got a break. I'm looking for price to test. Come up there and test that area there. Look at it. There we go. Got filled. All right. Another good entry there. Put that out on it. I'm going to go ahead and put that out there on Discord as well. And again, guys, I drew that. Excuse me. That supply zone right there. I mean, excuse me, not supply zone. Demand zone. Price, had made a low here, broke back up. Taking out this small little area of structure right here, pulling back to this demand zone. So, yeah, that's a quick little entry. Just really trying to take it back up to this area right here. But I was able to pick up, I think, a little bit over 2 points on that trade there per contract. So yeah. So I'm up 85 ticks right now on the ES. I think I'm going to be done for today. That's going to be my last trade, guys. I appreciate everyone who's tuned in and watched today's trading session video, my trade entries, watching me scalp all these areas of supply and demand. Again, the first trade was a short. Second and third trade were both longs. So both of them, the last two were entries off of rejections off of areas of demand. That first entry was off of November the 3rd. There was a small area of demand resting right here around the 52.5 price level. Took an entry there to go long once price broke back above. And then price, let's see, 52.5. Yeah. What was I at? I'm sorry about that. Let me go back to that zone again. Where were we at? 52, yeah, 52.5 was the area of demand from November the 30th, okay? And then, yeah, okay, there it goes. Bounces right there, breaks up, breaks through this area structure right here, pulling back to a new area of demand that was created. Again, you know, aggressive buying here, pulling back the demand. I went long, aggressive, not fully waiting for the candle to break because, you know, I knew price get back here was going to actually, you know, it's going to definitely attempt to have it was going to be a balance there because this would be the first try of an untested zone where there's a gap, you know, with this aggressive buying right here. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys the Discord if you're interested in joining our community. I just posted my screenshots of my trades on the community that you can see. And this is our Discord community. The chat channel, the general chat channel is for individuals that are interested in coming on, maybe, you know, asking certain questions. Maybe you are new to trading the future markets and have questions or general questions about the future markets, or, you know, you just want to share information pertaining to the future markets. Discuss it on the general chat channel here. The trading floor is for the trading session as the market is actually open. It's where we as traders share our levels or zones of interest. I'm a supply and demand style trader, so I'll screenshot from time to time my trade entries or my zones or levels that I'm interested in trading from, and let you know the zones I traded from. So if you're interested in joining, just find the link down in the description portion of the video, and that's pretty much going to be it. If you're looking for, I do have two what's called YouTube tier membership programs set up through the YouTube channel. If you click on the join button once again on the home page of the YouTube channel, or the join button on any video on the channel, you'll find two tiers there. It's basically just a way of giving back, supporting the channel. You do receive perks and rewards. Most individuals that sign up have signed up for the elite channel membership tier. The reason why is because they like to receive the trade breakdowns. It's where I go into depth. I walk you through my trades as if you were kind of sitting with me. So you get a full inside, I guess, in my mind, thought process of what I'm thinking and why I'm thinking it, you know, prior to and going into the trade that I actually take, or trades that I actually take. So it just kind of gives you, you know, a full rundown of what I'm thinking and breaking the trades down. So if you're interested in joining that, you can find that. Click on the join button on the YouTube channel. The join button. Okay, there's a join link up top there. Somewhere next to the subscribe button, you'll see a join link or button. Click on that, and there's there's two tier programs you can join or sign up for. One is loyal. What is it? I think one of them is the elite channel membership, and the other one is the let me find it right quick. The loyal channel supporter tier. But both of them are like for the price of a cup of coffee, you know. But with the elite channel membership, $6.99 a month, you get the trade breakdowns, you get exclusive content. Whenever I make posts to the private members or the elite channel members, you get the exclusive videos which are not made public, which is primarily the trade breakdowns. And then from time to time, I'll share trade entries that, you know, where I'm actually taking trades or recorded my trades for, you know, that I won't post publicly to the channel, whatever the case is, so you can get an understanding of other entries that I've taken, and whether it be, sometimes I'll trade outside of the U.S. session, sometimes I trade the Asian session, normally during, you know, when Japan session opens up. But I do not trade the London session because it's too early in the morning for me to get up. But yeah, there are great moves that take place on the London session. But anyways, guys, if you're interested in joining one of the YouTube membership programs or YouTube tier membership programs here on the channel, again, price of a cup of coffee a month. You know, I mean, you get a lot of value out of the. You know, a lot of people have found, especially a lot of traders who are signed up. There's quite a bit of members that are signed up, or supporters that are supporting the channel, because they like the trade breakdowns. It helps them give them a full understanding of my actual trades because I walk you through my trades. So that's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you joining and tuning in and watching today's trade session. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yes, I am kind of scaling back on my trading because of the holiday season and due to volume and things are kind of slowing down right now. But, you know, we'll get rocking and rolling once again when the new year comes about, you know, when we get to January. So take care. If you're trading, please be safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.